Hey God, it's me again. I know you already know what's in my heart, but I just need to say it out loud. Because right now, I feel broken. I feel unloved. And honestly, I feel hopeless. I tried to be strong, God. I really did. But this pain, it's heavy. It lingers in my chest, in my mind, in the quiet moments when no one's around. I keep wondering, was I not enough? Was I too much? Why does love always seem to slip through my fingers no matter how hard I try to hold on? I know you have a plan. I know there's a reason for everything. But right now, I just need you to hold me, to remind me that even if people walk away, you never will. That even if my heart feels shattered, you can put the pieces back together. God, please take this pain. Take this emptiness. Fill it with your love, the kind that never fades, never leaves, never makes me feel like I have to beg to be chosen. Help me to see my worth, not through the eyes of those who left, but through your eyes, the one who created me with love. And when I feel like I can't move forward, please remind me that healing takes time, that I am not alone in this, that no matter how broken I feel today, you are already working on my tomorrow. Thank you, God, for always picking up, even when I feel like no one else does, for loving me, even when I feel unlovable. I trust you even in this pain, and I know better days are coming.